next workshop will be Ffiws. This is a great opportunity to experiment with wool using Ffiws as high-tech equipment, and will give you the knowledge and confidence to further experiment with this type of equipment if you wish. We will be a small friendly group with a limited number of spaces, and it's open to anyone, whether you create wool products and want to experiment further, or if you simply have an interest. No previous experience is required.
A bunch of people came in last week and learnt a bit about all the technology that we've got in the Ffiws Make Space. So we thought of ways that it kind of applied to wool, and so we've done lots of sort of experimental stuff with wool, from 3D printed guides for felting to laser cutting felt to adding internet addressable LED lighting to fleece and all kinds of stuff. Just having a really good play.
I thought the workshop was great. It was really nice to meet new people and learn about the project that you've got going on. Nice, and we got to learn all sorts of different things that we can do with wool, like media felting and working with felt, and then weaving and all sorts of things.
You can book your place by following the link, and we hope to see you there.